This time we are going to discuss the segment of the circle. O is the center of the circle. F and G are 2 points. Joining them we get the chord FG. This chord FG divides the circle in 2 parts. This is the smaller part and this is bigger part. Each part is called the segment. The smaller part is called minor segment and the bigger part is called major segment. If we want to calculate the area of this segment FCG, then we have to join FO and OG. From area of the sector OFCG, if we subtract the area of the triangle OFG, then we get this area of the minor segment. So area of the sector we know, if this angle is theta and R is the radius, then theta over 360 pi r square minus area of the isosceles triangle. This triangle is isosceles because both of these are equal to the radii of the same circle. So this is isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle area is equal to, if two sides are known to us and the included angle, then that is equal to half multiplication of the two sides and multiply sine of the middle angle, included angle. Thus we get the area of the segment. To get the perimeter of the segment, we get the arc length FCG plus the length FG. And for finding the length FG, we can use the cosine rule. R square plus R square minus 2 times R into cos of the included angle. Thus, finding FG, we can find the perimeter of the segment.